Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you to remove your Bitmoji from Snapchat. So if you have this Bitmoji and you want to delete it or just remake a new one or just get rid of the Bitmoji completely, I'll show you to do that in this video today. So first open up Snapchat, and once you are on Snapchat, click on your profile picture in the top left corner. So click on your Bitmoji. Now I'll show you how to get rid of your Bitmoji on your profile icon right here. And I'll also show you how to get rid of your Bitmoji on the background right here. So first things first, click on the settings icon at the top right corner. Scroll down a tiny bit and find Bitmoji. As you can see, it's kind of near the top. Once you find it, click on it and it'll bring you to this page. On this page, you can change your Bitmoji outfit, edit your Bitmoji, and choose a selfie. But underneath all of that, there's an option that says remove my Bitmoji. If you click on that button right there, it'll bring up the option to remove your Bitmoji like it does right here. It'll say some random stuff about you deleting your Bitmoji forever, and if you still want to do it, click remove. And then it will completely get rid of your Bitmoji. As you can see, there's no Bitmoji in the profile icon and there's no Bitmoji in the background. And then you can make your new Bitmoji if you wanted to. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. I'll see you guys next time.